This is the opening screen on your POS till. We have a remote assistant where we can assist you with your permission. We have a POS steward where you can look at your connections and equipment. We have a dedicated app store with our apps if they need to be downloaded in the future, and our own actual POS app. On this main screen on the left we have an advertising screen you can use to remind staff on anything. In the bottom right we have a support button if you need to access our online articles. Every time a question is asked we make an article about it. You can create a ticket or you can use the AI assistance to help answer any questions. If that fails, then you can still make a ticket and send it to our tech team. Logging in, the front page has all of your staff members and their available permissions. We have a PIN option, a pattern option and an NFC. I'll be using an NFC today so you won't see it happen. It's just an available option for the hardware. Clock in page on the left, clock in, clock out and any breaks taken. This is all recorded and printed off at the end of the day for the staff member. And on the right, any performance for sales and stock if you need to get rid of anything, create competitions between them to upsell items. The main page, this today has been set up as a cafe. We got eat in or take away. For the eat-in, we have some items that are locked due to the time of day. We may or may not want certain items available on certain days and times of the week. I've opened the full English breakfast. On the right you see preferences. These have minimums and maximums to suit your needs. I'll select a couple of options there. On the left hand side, the upsell, very important to try to increase your revenue a bit better than possibly your current system, to try and encourage more sales and revenue for you. We've got an allergies that can be selected for each individual dish. You can also select allergies before you open the table or the check. Eat-in or takeaway options can adjust takeaway pricing and also takeaway VAT. The top left question mark, this is a printable description or allergies or specifications, whatever you want. This can be stored so the kitchen can have a look at this, the customers can have a printout of this and staff could read it off if any customers have any questions. I'm just going to reload my options there because it's a minimum requirement and add it to the bill. Into the mains, open the beef burger. Again on the right hand side we have an option. You do have under allergens gluten free, but this is just an extra backup if you wanted a quick preference. On the left again the same options you might see, including a double patty version and some additional upsells there that I've selected. If you need to add a discount at this point you can, or you can do it at the end to the full bill. When I try and add this, it won't add because it says the beef burger is out of stock. That's if you're linked up to the stock system and you maintain control of that. So I've overridden that to say yes, I have found one available, added it to the bill. Opening the categories, drinks, food or other. Under drinks, again the cocktails are locked due to the time of day, and we also have an option turned on of checking for identification. This is recorded back of house on any refusals and permissions. Customizable, and today we have it turned on once per table or per bill, so that's been approved. We'll open it in the top right corner. Should I run out of raspberries in this instance, I can lock it. This will lock for all the systems so we don't accidentally send any through, and I can unlock that, say as soon as someone comes back from the shop, and it's fully available again. The ticket on the top left corner under the question mark, again you can print it. This assists with staff training so they can go away and work that mojito on their own without having to look for the menu printed by the managers or blocking the till. If you need to adjust an item, you can drag it to the left or the right, delete, void or complimentary. And if you need to adjust it before it's been sent to the kitchen, you can open it and make any adjustments that you need. Maybe now you've remembered you need to tell the kitchen just to place the toast on the side. And we'll add that back to the basket. In the top left we have a customer, that's the CRM option. I'm personally saved in this as our demo account, so just a quick search found me and I'm loaded. My name, my my information has been loaded. My allergies have been previously saved, so I can open that and see apparently I've got an egg allergy. And then if I select anything that involves an egg, it'll briefly stop me, which it will show, though I'll skip over it a bit quickly soon. The search option, excellent for training staff. If you can't find an item, they don't have to stop other people to go and search for it. Start typing either the first word, second word, initials of any words involved. Good example is Newcastle Brown Ale. You can either type the new for Newcastle, the ale at the end, or NB, November Bravo, or BB for breakfast BAP, and you'll still search and find your items really quickly. Again, we have some options. It briefly paused to say, are you sure, because it contains egg, which was my allergen that was mentioned. I overrid that and said yes, actually on this instance the customer's happy, maybe it's getting for somebody else. And as you see at the bottom, I've got preferential charge for that, so I get a bit of a discount because I'm a member. Again, all of this can be set back of house. Under other, we can have ticket entry for things, and we have retail for any other items that you may wish to sell that suits your business. We have barcode scanners, handhelds, or the gun style available. If we wish to apply a discount for the full bill, we can do that here as well. Opening coupons, this could be an incentive you can print directly from the till and give to your customers. If they have any gift cards or coupons, you can scan them or type in the code to load them up. Quick cash button, you can use this for the exact amount of record tips. I've chosen not to print the receipt this time. That's the end of this video. We do have more videos if you wish to see more information.